Hey, it's Jeremy Kahler with the Kahler Team at Keller Williams Realty here in the Black Hills in Rapid City, South Dakota. Wanted to give you an update on what we've been seeing with the market lately. As I've talked to other agents in other states the last little bit, they are starting to see definite shifts in some of the main markets and cities. Out here, we are seeing a shifting, but it's subtle, and it is still a seller's market, but we are definitely seeing changes. The interest rates and what the Fed does the next bit, that can definitely have an effect on how quickly things move. So that may speed stuff up, but as of right now, things are still overall moving along. Okay, a couple of the stats we've seen. The inventory that we track. So how many homes in our entire MLS system, all price ranges, everything, are available for sale at any given time. That tells us, obviously, is inventory rising? So either demand's falling, so that would kind of start to settle stuff out, or what direction it's going. Inventory's steadily been climbing the last few months. We're now up to 332 homes on the market. As of this week, we were at 316 last week, and we were under 300 this last month. So that has gone up a bit. We are also seeing, we went from homes selling at an average of 100.6% of asking price. So they were selling over asking, multiple offer, bidding war, all that. And when I pulled year to date, as of today, July 18th, we're at 98.28% of asking. So that has come down. That's the biggest drop we've seen as far as selling price in the last few years. So that's pretty aggressive that it's that far under now. On our listings, we're still at 102.8% of asking. So there's my plug. Don't go hire the cheapest agent you can find. We've been able to net our clients a lot higher out of their home sales with pricing, staging, negotiating, all that stuff that we've done. Days on market, as of today, 16 days on market's the average. It was at 11, 12 days before. So again, we're seeing that go up. So there's all these indicators. Again, nothing crazy as of right now. It's not this huge shift, but there's, in each of the categories we watch, we're seeing a little bit of a change going to that balance. Average sold price is at $364,725 currently. So any questions, anything we can help with, you can reach me at jeremy@thekahlerteam.com or 605-381-7500. Thanks.